Awaken your inner greatness with Science of Getting Rich. Hey there, dreamers and doers. Get ready to embark on a journey that's all about tapping into your boundless potential. It's time for The Science of Getting Rich. Buckle up, because we're about to unravel the secrets to unlocking your fullest life. Listen up, my friends, because here's the truth. Living a complete, successful life isn't some far-off fantasy. It's your birthright. You can't fully unleash your talents and experience soul-deep growth without the power of wealth behind you. It's not about settling. It's about soaring. Imagine a life where every dream, every aspiration, every ounce of your potential can flourish. But hold on tight, because this isn't just about imagination. It's about arming yourself with the unshakable belief that you have what it takes to make it happen. Now, for those hungry for wisdom, let's dive deep into the heart of things. Explore the monistic theory of the universe, where everything's intertwined and you're at the very center. Think Hegel and Emerson. They're like your guides on this extraordinary journey. But here's the bottom line. We're not just talking about theories. We're talking about action. We're diving into real strategies that have been tested, proven, and fine-tuned for your success. So if you're ready to rewrite your destiny, to infuse every moment with abundance beyond your wildest dreams, then let's roll. Philosophers, this one's for you. But when it's time to take charge, this is your playbook. The universe is waiting for you to step into your greatness, to harness your potential, and to transform your life. Feel the energy, embrace the possibilities, and remember that you're capable of incredible things. Your journey to greatness is on.